MOP1.
So if me I go do something in my own area from start.
Sure for you.
Believe you.
I don't think go start for outside.
Africa.
Sọ̀rọ̀ bàbá ẹ̀ ló jọ.
And why I won't relate with you now, don't be say I won't come tell you anything. I need opportunity for una to tell me something.
Yeah.
Correct.
This is what we do today with camera like this. I'm able because you say okay, we're more get things to edit, you know. But the real event, I don't tell them for up. We must still come together, all of us from everywhere. We must still stay on place together, all of us, and we una go talk. Not so all this one they will come do rally, they shout for stage. If they know that they talk, Nigeria for them better. Now because they disregard waiting people like when they talk for this country, now make Nigeria never better. Now because what you need, man like you need for your life is not important. So nobody won't hear. Waiting man like you need, yeah, they can share some change. But how many generations of us are we sacrificing for that change? Yeah, they can share, everybody can hold some bar. Yeah, I get my friends will be say, then say because they go gun body, they don't hold bar pass. They do well. You know, like they be saying they do well. But we as the people, my own doing well is nothing. If the majority of my people are doing badly. Now you must understand. Many of us don't could believe say, you know, things they're more important than people. So the more things you get, you know, accumulate things, forget the people. For Nigeria, they can kill 100 people, nobody go vex. You burn one building, everybody go vex. Why? Because they don't program us to respect their property past our own life. Yeah. Police will come here now, demolish, pursue everybody, kill 2 people in the process. Everybody will say government they do their work. 2 people don't die. If when I come vex our community now, gather and say, hey, by mistake 1 billion, but I know it's a 1 billion here born. All of them will lose their mind. You understand? But how many years we as motherland people for Africa, what they live without dignity? They believe say one day one person could make them. Yes, one person they make them now. Out of 30 people. Is that enough?
No.
They say for Nigeria, only 2% of Nigerians get balance of 500,000 for their account and above. Only 2% of Nigerians get 500,000 naira balance and above. So forget all this big man everybody they form. Everybody here is owing money. Using basic so that they can using basic to pretend they are not poor. Now everybody say pretend say no poor now. Yes, because they don't link poverty to disrespect for Nigeria. Say poor man is a stupid man. Poor man is nothing. Poor man an animal. So why? That's why we be movement of the people. So not be movement of the youth too. I also not be movement of the Agbalagba. Now movement of the people because Omode Gbon Agbagbon.
Oh yeah.
Now the disconnect between the Omode and Agbalagba for our community now make Nigeria this country. You understand? So she had come here today, not because I can't say, hey, today everybody must become MOP or whatever. No. I still want to get larger conversation with you now. We want to say we begin sharing our hopes and ambition. See, not be everybody for Nigeria poor. They say if you tell monkey, make it climb tree. Yeah? If you tell monkey make it climb tree, now I'm gonna be the best. We say make it do some assault, right? Now I'm gonna be the best, right? If you can't tell elephant now, say make him climb tree. Elephant can't. If you say make elephant some assault, elephant can't. But if you have to break that tree down, elephant go push and go fall, monkey no feet. So everybody is special for Nigeria. The reason why they say you are poor now because these people, instead of creating the opportunities to match your potential, they can buy Rolls Royce. They will take your opportunity, bid 100 house. When you say now 1 house, you go sleep every night. Oh, they get 100 house, I will see they jam them for hotel. Oh, God, waiting happen. You don't understand what they tell you now. These same people 500 years ago that they begin sell their brothers and sisters, cousins, they sell them for mirror, for gunpowder, they sell them for textile, for sugar. See, before they meet Oyibo people, those people they no be our society control them. They no get help. When they come meet their real brothers. Because forget black man, white man, so na spirit that they tell you about. See, there is certain people in this world who respect things over human beings. I don't tell you now this as we start the talk. Now still these same people that they rule us for Africa till today. See, our original kings and people they rule, all those ones they kill them. We resist. They can't put all these people say they will go see. They're ready to take one crate of gin, 700 African people. So today not be gin again. Today na Rolls Royce. Today na Gucci. Today na house for Beverly Hills. Today na today na chain, na jewelry. But now still us that they sell. Now still our life that they waste. Still the same mentality. So about profit at the end. Nobody can show me anything they don't do for this Nigeria. We benefit business. We benefit people. We no benefit business. Anything they bring for this country now for their business. They give a phone like because business need phones. Any road they build now for their goods to pass. You don't try the road before. Now human being road be this. Now road human being supposed to pass there for our. If I go see if I go Abuja or Court now road that they go and they like enter play. I ask all my crew. I'll go by road. Now they very begin to kidnap everybody for road. Now I fly go Abuja this year where I go. But from Abuja to Kaba, I take road again. So me I know that they call road for Nigeria and I don't travel this world. The kind of money they take big road for Nigeria. When I go say 1 billion road, 200 billion. That's like $10 million. I mean $20 million for road. For Igbo land, when you go look their own this thing, that same kind of road even long past that one, it will cost them 1 million, 2 million, our own 20 million yet.
Substandard.
Now I'm going to look at this money they call. I don't understand. See, not be saying I be mugu. Now the way we they call numbers for the world, nobody understand number. Number, I forget. You go say you understand number, but you don't understand number. You see numbers, 1 million seconds, now 11 days. 1 million seconds, 11 days. Who know how long be 1 billion seconds? 32.8 years. That's the difference between billion and million. 1 million seconds now only 11 days. If you count 1 billion seconds, it's 32.8 years. So people will say billion. Not be small money be this so. Now money will they change life of
community.
Millions of people be that too. When they say billionaire be billion. For country we never pay 30,000 minimum wage for people.
Oh, I'm telling you.
You know to be 30,000 a month. 30,000 a month. You know people they thought won't pay people human being for this Nigeria 30,000 a month. That's why they want me to stay for places like this. They don't want me your life. You can never. What you want to see for your life? Where is the love? 1 year they say pandemic day. They don't build any new hospital for Ikeja. When they don't do one whole year, nothing. The whole Nigeria. Not one, but it's a pandemic day. Everybody they run up and down. They say no go out from 4 to 4. This one, that one. Nobody don't say, hey, new hospital. People need hospital. China, they were building one hospital every 6 days. Till the pandemic finished. One new hospital every 6 days. This one 1 year. From March last year we locked down. Till now, we are still locked down in 12 to 4. Police can't collect money for everybody's pocket. No hospital. So these people, not be say, they say they be evil people. They say they sure say they be evil people. 60 years, when they don't solve for Nigeria. School problem, housing problem, nothing. Sanitation,
health,
transportation.
So the simple dignity of to be poor not because because for Nigeria to be poor is one step away from your existence. Anybody where you be, no matter the billion you get yesterday, for this country, no, if you raise you to zero, before you know you don't begin sell everything, you don't broke, bro. That's what this country be. You understand? So if as we did for this country like this, all of us, we must understand, say, we as the people of this country, we need certain kind of solidarity. Yes. You see all my people we do NSAS, all my friends all of them do NSAS. They come the verse when boys enter street, begin break all the street lamps, say boys no do well. I say I can't talk to them to organize them during the NSAS. I mean everybody if buy data. You know how much be data for Nigeria? Data are some people's salary. How they want to afford them to follow you online to know what you talk to the Nobody can afford all those things. Nobody can afford it. Yet you pay us 30,000 naira a month. These people are sitting on billions. Even if they pay you 100,000 a month, it's still slavery salary. Yes, how much be 30,000? $210. 100,000 is $210 now. $210. What do you want to can do for your life for 30 days? For $5 a day, you don't even reach. It's $10 a day. I mean, you want to survive. Yes, people are sitting down on billions. Now, I don't hate money. Don't get me wrong. Anybody, work hard for your money. Don't make money from the suffering of your people. Don't make money from the blood, the pain of your people. Anybody can be a billionaire. Yes, fine. Bill Gates is a billionaire because he get Microsoft. Without Bill Gates, there's no Microsoft. So we see what he brings to this world for in billions. Good for you. Come our country. What in Nigeria no go get if Dangote no exist? What you no get? We no get somebody to sell us food we no fit buy. See that one? We no get somebody to sell us cement we no fit buy. Abi? I bet you go up with them $10 they no day for that. They no go sit there and sell petrol. What they don't add to this country to be billionaires? That they are billions now from your pocket, everybody pocket like this.
Exploiters.
And in our constitution of this country, I see show my comrade today. Because they don't jump up and down the chart. Constitution is the problem, they distract us. Like say, no constitution in this world is perfect. Now the will of the people, now where it day, now constitution they work. If they want make constitution work, they will go to interpret the good parts. Many good things for the Nigerian constitution when nobody look in face because they don't want to do that one. They say for anybody to benefit from the resources of Nigerian people must be prevented. It is our constitution. Anything we get is for everybody. Finish.
My God, you're spoken well.
Not even matter of see. What you want share? We say, the professionals of this country, the rich people, they must understand their mindset. Their mindset, we say, they don't get the country, they don't employ their cost. To them, all of us are animals. Trust me. I know them. To them, all of us are animals. But you know, animals where you like, your pets, you bring them near you. So they get some pets where they share things.
Just like this dog now.
You don't understand? But if animal will be like goat, want to them, you know, you get pets. You pet an animal where you like now, but I see animal. So all these are pets, they give them something. So those ones, you see all these ones like this, they're not saying now. Instead of me they fight, make public school good. Make government stop to the thief public school money. Make everybody picking to get quality education. When they go do, they will take their own share, go build private school.
Oh, they even fly that children.
No, that one are the police as well hold now. All these ones will just be professional. Not be private school that children they go. Why the children they go private school? Because they don't send the poor man. They don't fix their own problem. They don't get better school, they fit pay school fees. You will not get money for school fees, make your children rotting. Abi? No good hospital, they'll be private. And these same people, now their friends, the government, and they go try to say no funds education. They will carry the public school education money, thief and go give them. They'll go take and build private school. Thief healthcare money, give them. They'll go build private hospital. We go sick, no get where to get medicine. They go say they do business. They are big men with our life. So it's a situation where we must change. Say we don't ready to change the status quo or not. Finish. Whether we want to live in dignity to give ourselves the things we want, and nobody can give. See this community now, nobody can give now what you now want. I think come here, come talk about my big grandma. So far, I know they sleep here with you now, or hang out here with you now every day. I know if you solve the problem of this area. You understand me? Now, self must solve the problem of this area. So any platform where we create for this country, now platform where we say we must use, take empower people for this area to empower this area. Anybody will content and say, I think you're you only lay. That's a bullshit. That's another year of suffering on that generation done. People like us, we don't dey lucky. Here's how they talk. Now local say we successful for Nigeria. Nobody is successful because of talent. Talent, I'm on your talent. We don't boom me law. You are lucky. Shehu is here because his father is Fela. Fela is there because his own mother is Fumilayo. If it not be Fumilayo and some Kuti born Fela, Fela will never be Fela. Now our background, we are lucky enough. I tell you, nobody for Nigeria. If they create this country, opportunities, they don't block all the opportunity. They hand, okay, Funye. If they lie, carry your certificate, go find work now. Oh yeah, now enter street now, go find work. There be opportunity there. Be number say, go find work. Carry your certificates. Anyone go street, go. Everything is under their control. So they pick the ones who don't kiss their ass. Their boy don't say wicked like them. Share the same spirit. No, but that one must do with it. We wouldn't be lucky enough. We must now turn our attention to the people. All these people, they support the oppressor. All they work for banks. Say, I'm a banker. What did they do? Not be to launder money. They can't come street, they form good person. That the laundering of money we don't do for bank during the day. Now put people for streets. We they work for electric, all these electrical guard all of them they work for oil company. Not that they spoil everything, all the lecturer, not that they spoil university. Without them can university spoil? All of they do their work to aid the oppressor. So we the people must stand up for ourselves. We must find leaders among ourselves. And when we find leaders among ourselves, we must take the responsibility of leadership. We must take the responsibility of leadership. You understand? I mean, I don't to drink today, man, for tea for me. I never chop. You understand? To represent our people, you know, not forgetting what they need, where they're from. How do we take it down? Not because we want the person to be a good person, not because it's from among us. If this man is the world chairman of this area, you know, because should be anybody here. We'll go in office, go. From where to where? But when they're not on your one, you say go come with. If they come with like 40 police, they can't talk now. 20 police will be between them and they will surround and I say I won't keep person. That's why we're dangerous. They will tell people now anybody they come once Nigerians they just take police, surround everywhere, come outside, bodyguard, everything happen. After Nigeria is bad, now I never die. Now I never kill all of them finish. I didn't tell you now, but just to create the impression. Why can't you talk to your people? Now you be bad person now. That's why you know if you come stand with people like this. Because people will always say, we are should be a like boy. Security will be wash, shot me. Will be already. Exactly. People are muguni. We are not idiots. They say Nigerians they collect money, say their vote. We will give them alternative. No alternative. You say choose between APC and PDP. Before I vote, pay me. No, what I want special, any one of you is the same. If the Nigerians get real alternative and they refuse to now engage with the alternative, they go say Nigerians they like bribe. We will not give them alternative. We they help oppressors to oppress them more. They launder their money, they thief their oil, they do everything, they suffer more because if Nigerians they take money, they have vote. Different call. But if Nigerians see the alternative, I will not still be Mugu, we'll collect that bar. It's our bar. We'll collect it. Our bar. But we know what we want to vote. We know where we want to go with our mind. We know the country we want to build. And that one must be ahead of everything. You understand me? Yeah, so this will not be make I apologize again with the fraction we happened before. You know, movement of the people, not be say we want this will not be people party. We won't make una. Now this on our platform we say we willing because we get the we don't get blessed. All of us together we can build something. We go give una the voice we una need. You understand? Not be say we won't come impose idea. Something we can build together from our community. They say all politics is local. Waiting people they represent the local government. They do who we be. Waiting they do. Waiting they do for you. Look, the only sponsor that we will get for John Olugbo, they don't close out. Since when? No youth center, no job center, nothing. Waiting, boys go come they hang out for you all day, they drink, they smoke. Why? When me are young, why would they do like this too much? Would they jail but first that they will go play lawn tennis, play table tennis, play ball, do everything, go swim. What will you Enough activity. Small people begin sell everything for themselves, they end everything. Boys having to do nothing to engage them, no mentorship program again for Nigeria. Where they use or where they that bastard fashola. He no pay shishi when you go Unibank, free. The entire governor for Lagos State, he increased school fees by 250%. While the young children they abroad. What's be that? Which kind of human beings then be this? How many public housing they don't deliver in 20 years of democracy? Public housing, say cheap housing for all of us. They move here, come up for street, come up for our parents' house. Boys go to their papa house 25, 26. How can you grow? You just old now. Can't grow. So your papa go see the vet say you enter house 2 a.m. but you don't be 25 years. That's where you from they come. And you not even keep because you might, you know, you
don't get choice than to just be.
All those things are to prevent you from becoming yourself. It's deliberate now. Go Europe and America, 18, 19, their parents going to position them for house.
Buhari 24, I ain't there to rule Nigeria.
Yeah, exactly. So imagine what will they do here? See their house. Half of all my friends and their parents married them. Yes. They will do their house, will touch it down, say, I go and marry. They will bring girlfriend come. They will do the wedding for them, rent house for them, buy a motor for them. That one a grown man. You can't make your papa vex. You can't make your father vex. Your father gonna go pick up and go give you work so that we don't, you know, we cannot challenge. We just, but yes sir. You go read that Greek. They will put you for director of finance because somebody your partner no person. You when you read the finance, they will put you for a Greek. I mean, you know.
This country go also. Oh no.
So now basically what we need to relate with ourselves with that. It's not be issue of say, well, now friction start anything, but now we don't end well. We don't understand each other more. Yes. You know. So as we continue to engage ourselves, you know, I know make it not be money me I won't share with you now. I want share life. I'm gonna do event, we sit down, go eat, we go drink, we live like African people. Me, I no get bar. Say I want to use money do. This one a message with all of us. We own. Something all of us we own. See from the beginning. You know, we're in the process of registering the party, and this is the beginning, I believe, of a 1,000,000-mile journey. All of them don't need to engage now, but I don't hear now. We'll come back again, tell that yeah, oh, me when I come, oh, you know, we'd like to take the number of people we will contact for this area to the liaise with constantly. So we open line of communication. At least for this one, now for my own community, everybody could do for their own, different members could do for their own. And ourselves, if not choose to join, not become people will help us build the goal for this community, because we must begin to liberate ourselves. Not be every space they must just come chance for one big man. They only need the better in life. When they go chance space to give us public housing, give us good school for our children. Me, man, no matter they pay my picking school fees. Because you want your child to keep up in the world. Me, no, they back 2.5 million a year. For in first year, when he first enter with all the B. Now 1.5 every year. Primary 2. Not be university.
Primary 2.
Primary 2. So imagine my daughter to somebody where picking they go Ikeja primary school. I mean, can they ever compete?
Can never.
So Shemo could they hope say everybody go carry their picking, go my own picking school? Never.
No. Or we gather build one.
They want to must gather repair Ikeja primary school so that me and can drag my picking come up from that year school. Put out for the free one way good. Why they don't want to do good school for all our children? So that can never compete to their children. Everybody here losing friends that are young, we never live to see 40. How many people don't die? Bobo Jr. We see die last year for how old was he? All our friends die young age. They will just die, no, bam. If anything happen to anybody now, how long ambulance will take reach here?
I said they will come out.
No, how long? Now they ask you now. They say Nigeria don't like all those things with skateboard. Nigerian boys won't ride skateboard now, but we know say if Toba Shele or Agbere hospital near with broken leg, I'm off his skateboard leg, I worry about, you know. Nobody want to do stunts for Nigeria. We like stunts, that's how they watch her now. But you want jump for me, like, They do. You both like all those guys when they break hand. Bah! 911, hello! I said that's my hand! Before 5 minutes, the cocker, you know, I go hospital like egg. You want to try that one, yeah? You want to try that one, yeah? You don't fit that. The immediate death, you don't say your death warrant. So now those we not be say we must not the envision say we won't enter all the things where they get. You not get a moon keeper. we won't do our own make good. The only all of us get right to enter. Now it must good. But the lie they sell for us be that. Some they build public housing, they'll build all this expensive house. Look, they pray to get money to enter. When we can build, when we say our money, we need to build when we say all of us can enter. Why are we waiting for them to invite us into their towers? When we have to do for ourselves. We don't need to enter their private hospital. We go do our own where everybody feel enter. We go put medicine there. Nobody say, you say, sorry, no medicine. Go to this private hospital. Imagine.
Or go to that pharmacy.
Pharmacy will say, I didn't get them.
Go and buy.
All the drugs they buy for us, they divert, go to the pharmacy. You go reach general hospital, you say no doctor. On ground.
But the doctor get hospital, we in the
and they collect money from government.
as ghost worker.
Our parents go to die every day for streets. Doctor go to tell you say if you don't get money for card, you know if you treat person go to die.
Oh no.
They come to say kidnappers now be bad people for Nigeria. Person they die for your front like this, you go say you don't get money, you know if you treat them. Imagine human beings go say be doctor, and you go come back and say I be doctor. No. Your fellow human being like this, they your front. You have the skill to treat this human being to save his life. My band leader, and so he died on Christmas. Show them say he gets shit from his house. Not be say they don't even get money. Just because of the way he did, they refuse them for 2 hospitals. By the time they reach you, they don't die. So even say, if you even get money, they will say, "Oh, keep your." Imagine. They will say, "Nah, bandits, the evil people." You know, people they die for hospital every day because of 2,000 naira, 500 naira. At least bandits they ask for 10 million. Doctor go say if you don't get 5,000, you will watch your loved one die. Waiting become a kidnapper. Police for street, how many the key? Police gonna and kidnap us pass. Waiting be kidnap. And you go for road. Somebody park with car. Come on, we go, bro. Park you, boom. Put it like car. Can you go view? Call your family. Say, oh yeah, we don't hold them. Bring 50p. Not be kidnapped with that. Not be kidnapped with that. How many people don't mobilize? They won't go fight police for kidnapping Yoruba children. They have been kidnapping us since I was born. Every day, I think they don't kidnap everybody here once or twice. Have you not been kidnapped by the Nigerian police before? Can you dodge it? No. You go down, they just park down for the perfect kidnapping motor. Then they watch film. Ring, roar. Hey, enter the motor. It's different from arrest. Arrest, you must do something. You do something bad. Police land, you're under arrest. You know, do anything. They go for a road. Somebody park car, jump down with gun. Load you inside the motor against your will, carry you go somewhere, lock you, because you call your family. Then police. Oh, but they don't kidnap you. They need 50B. They need 50B. So we must change the system. We can't continue. All of us cannot enter. Trust me. Now you will believe every generation we go try. Out of 100 of us, only 3 go enter. 97 people who are go back village, die for streets, poor. How many? How long do you want to do it? I look at our neighborhood. Look at many of our ignore them that time. When they say that we'll make it, a lie. A lie. It's all a lie. So they lie, except we do it by ourselves. We don't get choice. My professor tells me a good thing, and they always start with fights. So I'm saying enough let's fight NRM people today. We will get strong relationship. Even stronger. Actually that guy there with his skull cap, he and Toby, they are on the journey to become best friends. Yes, it's the truth. They're in the journey. Because underneath it all, we are motherland people. The thing will connect us for years, past the thing will separate us. And they tell you now, they say Nigeria don't like this. Now they stay for Lagos. If Nigeria don't like this, this kind of place gonna feel exist. Now rich Nigerians don't like poor Nigerians. Finish, that's the only hatred that exists for this country. That the rich people of this country hate the poor people of this country. Why the poor people of this country? For some reason, I don't know why, but I love them. When I love them, die. And I say, oh, so you are not the problem because you are full of love. Because they treat me like this and I still like them. That means the love in your heart is too big. Yeah. Now those people they get everything to help us, no green help. Now them gone. Now they no get love. And now it's time to love ourselves. It's time to love ourselves. It's time. We don't get time again. At the time they bring money here, collect. This is not what we're talking about. We talk about our own dedication towards changing our situation. You know understand? Because we know they say we'll be animal, so we can't change our situation. Because you see animals, no, they fit change their situation. See this dog, he must bark. He must eat dog food, all those things. You know if you ever stand up, they work like me, and you know if you change his situation, he must get master, he must obey, he must be a dog. But you see human being, only human being, if you carry human baby, put them among these dogs, where you don't see human being for in life. He go change from human being, he go turn to dog. He go dey waka like them, he go dey back like them. If you put human baby among monkey, so why they no kill them? Say follow them grow. Now you go dey talk, go dey swing from tree like them, go dey do like them. That is the human capacity. We can change into anything where we like. We just need to believe in ourselves. So any situation where they say they put us is changeable if we say we want to change that situation. That's the message. Finish. Say we the people of this country, we don't come together by ourselves. No shall not be say special Nigeria. Me, all my people know I don't get time for political office. I'm too busy. But I get time to build this platform with the people. And the people can pick their politicians. We go change the country for them. But we must build it together. So not be this kind of own lower party where they do up and down. They don't do their day. It's time for us to do our day. So not be say we want protest. We don't protest tire. Whatever it is, our solution be. Some people say they won't fight. Some people they will. Even though you won't fight, you must first organize now. You won't fight this organized fight. You will lose uncoordinated effort. It's loss. So even though you don't want fight, you must first organize, and that's the beginning of these conversations. What will they get? You know. So we'll communicate with now. Hopefully, and we create more things. You know. And we can plan better. We will go sit down, drink, talk. Me, I don't want to talk that day, and I will talk more. Because now we begin to decide. People will decide to come, will not be by force. We say, yeah, let's take this journey together, let's do this. Yeah, we start the conversation. We'll begin to build something. It's a collective effort. The way to free Nigerian people, not for Oshenwo head. It didn't say everybody head, and so they bring our heart together from Lagos to Sokoto. Yes, the thing will connect us past the team. I tell you now, me, I travel by road for Nigeria. All this like they lie, Hausa people hate, and all this thing are story. If you don't hate Hausa, why everybody won't be like Dangote? You know it Hausa now, poor Hausa you hate. Because the rich people don't program like that. Yes. I never seen any Hausa we hate any rich Obama. Yeah, and the poor ones, we are all hating ourselves. Because they don't program all their film where you go to watch. You watch the film, your father wants to kill you, your mother wants to kill you, your sister wants to kill you, your auntie wants to kill you. Oh, everybody except government, everybody wants to kill you for Nigeria. You hear music, your enemy everywhere, your friend your enemy, you want to take your babe, you go church, enemies! We cannot have trust or solidarity. They pay them. Honestly, I tell you now, it's not coincidence. At least the music and the movie part, they be my colleagues. So I know, say they part of the game to say you that kind of message. We must rebuild that solidarity. Finish. Trust ourselves to build the future we want for our children. Maybe it's too late for us. 2023, 3 years. Maybe this is where we start now. If we don't even do anything, if we don't even feel win till 15 years time, 3 cycles. But we don't start up. To make sure that maybe we won't even live to see them, but not say the journey don't start. To make sure that our children don't go through the same things what we go through. You know. Thank you very much. Except if anybody wants to share something with me, you know, Mr. Ade here small, you know, too.